I have the worst of luck. If you don't know what that is gasoline. Well, check this out. I had a full tank of gas when I came here, but now it's just dripping out. And the best part is, you can't really see it, but this whole thing covered in oil. So now what I'm doing is I'm actually gonna get the bike towed home. It's gonna cost me close to 200 bucks. I think the float needle was stuck, so it's causing gas to pour out. I don't know, man. It's too cold for me to start taking this thing apart and figuring out what the issue is. Thankfully, I'm not that far from home, and I'd rather it break down here than break down when I'm in some other state somewhere.